Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today we're going to talk about the 20 sources of income that Texas uses to help calculate child support amounts. To calculate child support amounts, courts look at the net resources of the party ordered to pay. They're also known as the obligor. Net resources is determined by adding all of the obligor's sources of income and deducting certain items like taxes, union dues, and health insurance for the child or children. So what do courts consider as income, and what sources figure into net resources? Here are 20 sources of income courts will use to calculate child support amounts. Number 1, alimony. Alimony is also known as spousal support or spousal maintenance. It is a court-ordered provision that orders one spouse to pay the other spouse a specific amount of money each month after separation or divorce. Number 2, annuity income. There are two common annuities that come up in calculating child support amounts. They are settlement annuities for personal injury claims and retirement annuities. A personal injury annuity is a settlement payout that has a structured payment plan. A retirement annuity is a contract between a person and an insurance company. It provides the insured a guaranteed income for the rest of the insured's life, no matter how long they live. Any portion of the retirement annuity payment that represents a return of principal or capital is not included in the calculation of net resources. Number 3, assets not producing income. Courts can include a reasonable amount of deemed income from assets not producing income. For example, a court can include the value of multiple cars a spouse owns and could sell. However, the courts can only consider non-income producing property that would not be a financial sacrifice to liquidate. Number 4, assets producing income. Assets producing income are included in net resources. If a spouse voluntarily transfers assets or intentionally reduces the amount of income being produced from the asset, the court can consider what would have been the income before the voluntary or intentional act. Number 5, capital gains. Capital gains is a profit from the sale of property or an investment. Number 6, child support. Child support amounts received are included in net resources. Child support payments for children outside of the marriage is factored in after the amount of net resources is totaled. Number 7, disability benefits. Disability benefits actually received are included in net resources. Number 8, gifts and prizes. Gifts and prizes received are included in net resources. A Texas court has held college money that a son received from his parents was considered a gift, and they included it in calculating monthly net resources. Number 9, interest. Interest income, dividends, and royalty income are included in net resources. Number 10, rental income. Rental income from rent-producing property is included. Courts only consider net rental income, which is income received after deducting operating expenses and mortgage payments. Number 11, retirement. Any pensions and retirement pay are included. Number 12, self-employment income. All self-employment income is included in net resources. Courts can deduct for business expenses, taxes, and depreciation when calculating the monthly income. Number 13, severance pay. Severance pay is an amount paid to an employee when they are dismissed or discharged from their job. Number 14, Social Security benefits. Social Security benefits are included. Number 15, trust distributions. All monies received from trusts are included unless there is language in the trust that says otherwise. Number 16, unemployment benefits. Likewise, unemployment benefits are included. Number 17, veteran disability. Disability benefits from the Department of Veteran Affairs are included in net resources. Number 18, wage and salary. All wage and salary are included. This includes pays for commission, overtime, tips, and bonuses. Number 19, workers' compensation benefits. They're included. And number 20, other income. This is the court's catch-all. Courts can take into consideration all other income. This can include cash inheritances and even athletic scholarships.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.